Staying organized with multiple freelance clients can feel like juggling a dozen tasks at once. But with the right system and a little strategy, you can keep everything on track and avoid the chaos. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to stay organized and manage multiple clients like a pro. The first thing you need to do is centralize all your communication. Instead of bouncing between emails, messages, and meetings, use a single platform where all your communication lives. This saves you time and prevents important details from slipping through the cracks. Whether it's a project management tool, a dedicated email inbox, or a messaging app with organized threads, keep everything in one place. Next up, use a simple task management system. I know task managers can get complicated, but trust me, this is key. Break down your projects into manageable tasks and prioritize them based on deadlines. A lot of freelancers try to rely on memory alone or scattered sticky notes, but this only leads to stress. Use a task management tool, we'll talk about one in a minute, that helps you track each task by client, due date, and priority. This ensures nothing gets overlooked. Another tip is to time block your schedule. Instead of working in an all-over-the-place fashion, set specific hours for each client. This allows you to focus on one project at a time without constantly switching gears. It's not just about making sure you're working, it's about making sure you're working efficiently. Set blocks of time that align with your energy levels. For example, take on your most demanding tasks when you're freshest. Here's something a lot of people miss. Document everything. Keep a record of client preferences, feedback, and project details in one place. Having these notes accessible means you can refer back to them without scrambling to find old emails or trying to remember specific details. Trust me, clients appreciate when you have their preferences on hand. And don't forget about you keeping track of deadlines and invoices. Stay on top of your payments and make sure you're sending invoices out regularly to avoid cash flow problems. Use a simple invoicing tool or even the same software we're using for task management. This will allow you to easily track payments, set reminders for follow-ups, and ensure you're paid on time. If you're using software to manage all these things, choose something that fits your workflow. I've tested a lot of popular tools, but I'm recommending this software because it's simple, effective, and designed to help you stay organized with multiple clients. It's helped me stay on top of things, and you can get an exclusive free trial for this software by checking the link in the description below. It's only available for viewers of my channel, so definitely take advantage. To wrap it all up, here's your icky takeaway. Staying organized with multiple freelance clients doesn't have to be a hassle. It comes down to centralized communication, a solid task management system, time blocking your schedule, and keeping accurate records. Don't try to keep everything in your head, use the right tools to streamline the process. And as a quick recap, centralize your communication, manage tasks effectively, block time for each client, document everything, and stay on top of invoices. Remember to check the description for your exclusive free trial to the software that can make this all easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab that free trial below.